Hey guys, it's Nissan, right? In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can make a lookalike and a custom audience in your Facebook ads. And I'm also gonna give you tips on that, and I'm also gonna tell you what is that in Facebook ads. So let's begin in Facebook ads. So guys, here we are on our camping. Okay, so as you already know that these are the camping, okay, and I have just make a demo camping. So let's go here and let's create our lookalike and a custom audience. So to create that, where you go is you go to the ad set level, you click on here, okay, and let it be. And where you go is you go over here. So this is where everything comes in the place. Well, the first thing is that you are not really gonna see any buttons to creating the lookalike or anything, okay? So how you do that is you go to the switch to original audience. What does it mean by you just don't let Facebook to automatically find your audience, but you do it by yourself, or yeah, you don't use the advantage audience but you use the original audience. So as the advantage audience suggests that a Facebook is going to just target anyone based on their algorithm, but to get the access or to create lookalike and custom audience through our campaign, we have to use this original audience. So we what you do is just hit the use original audience and let it be. So here we are, and if you scroll down over here, now you guys can see here we got the axis of the this option, okay. And when you click over here, you will see that it is saying a custom audience and look alike audience, okay. So before we go to this option, let me tell you what are these two things: custom audience and lookalike audience. So as you know that in the Facebook ads there are three types of audience in the Facebook ads. The first one is saved audience, second one is the lookalike audience, third one is custom audience. And what this custom or what a saved audience is, it is a saved audience is audience that you have saved through your advantage or just saved audience, okay. And what a custom audience, or what does this custom audience means, it is a custom made audience that you make from your website, Facebook page, Instagram engager, or your data like email, phone number, name of your customer. That is what called this custom audience. But what a look alike, or if you see over here closely, it says look alike audience. So what does this look alike audience mean? A look alike audience means a name suggests that this audience is somehow looks just like our custom audience. And let me give you example. If we let's suppose that we got purchase like 1000 in 30 days, and if we use that email, phone number, those customers to our lookalike, then Facebook is going to find that 1% or how many percent you want, like that portion that was similar to the person or customer that buy your product. And this is what a look-alike audience means. So as you know, as I told you, what does this mean? Now let's go and first let's create our custom audience. So what you do is just you click over here and you come over here and you hit custom audience. And here you guys can see there are a lot of options like website. You can also make here you can see that there are options like website, customer list, app activity, offline videos, these things. But in this video I'm just gonna teach you, like there are a lot of things, okay. You can also make the custom audience from the Facebook page. You can also make account, Instagram account. What does this two mean? That if you have got visited, or if you have anyone who visited your Facebook page, Instagram page, or your videos or lead form, instant experience, or anyone, you can make the custom audience on that. But I'm going to teach you how you can make your website audience, okay. This website audience. And also there is another thing which is customer list. What does it mean by you can make your customer list like email, phone number, name? You can give that to the Facebook and you can make a custom audience. But for this sake of video, what we are going to do is we are going to hit the website, and we are going to do is going to the next, and you will be broad like this. So here we are. What does it mean by first he is saying that create a custom audience, okay? And you have to have a your pixel which is called data set, okay? And you have to have your event means let's suppose that if in the event section you make somehow like website or anyone, but here are only three options that we can get, which is all website visitors, specific pace and time spent. But for the sake of this video, what we are going to do is just hit this, okay? Those people who visited our website, and what we are going to do is we are going to hit and we are going to use our main pixel. And you can also include more people means let's suppose that I'm going to make this custom audience, and let's suppose that I use this source which is my pixel from that I use on my website. Let's suppose I also use it for my next website, so I'm also gonna hit this. So and I also show that this retention is 180 days. So what does it mean by now? I included two things, which is one which is my this pixel, second which is different, and this retention is 30 days, this is 180 days, means these two things are going to merge and it is going to become a custom audience. And if you go over here, you can name, you can also exclude people means if you don't want that, let's suppose that I don't want this one, this pixel to be activated, so I'll just use exclude. Or what I exclude means that you don't use, or you just don't use it at all, okay? This is what I mean. And you come over here, you name your audience, and what I suggest you to make your audience name or your custom audience is just name it what you specifically make about. Let's suppose that it was our website visitor who was 180 days, okay? So what we are going to do is website visitors, and we are going to do is 180 days. We are going to do is 180 days. So what we just did is name our audience name. You can also description if you want, if you forget about, like you can say that it is a custom audience. So you create this, you it's optional the description, and you just exclude include. And you can also go with like people who visited a specific web page. You can also, and you can also type your url or contents like you have. So for now let's not do that. Let's suppose that it's demo.com. It's a demo one, okay? So we have this url, and let's suppose that what just happened is that those audience who go to my this web page which is demo.com will be make as, or will be exclude means those people who go to my this demo.com website, they want as created in the custom audience, okay? This is what means you can also include here. And if you can also include from here, which is the include, and you can also include like that. And they are also from your events, it will show you the events that you have made from your uh from your from your pixel. Let's suppose that I have my page view content and lead. What does it mean lead by? Now I got those people who submitted the form, and you can also use it. And if you use this, you can name your custom audience like lead. You can type lead website visitors for 80 days. So after you done this, which is this one, okay, overally this is all, and you hit your pixel id. If you haven't make, now what, go and make that first. and just make that which is your event type properly. And what you do is just you go and hit the create a audience, and now just see the magic. Now the Facebook is gonna say a custom audience was created. What does it mean by you have just make a custom audience? And now you can also hit like a lookalike audience, create an ad, or create another custom audience. But for now, let me show you where it was added. If you click OK, there is it. This is what we just created, which is our custom audience. Okay. And now in this video, I'm also going to create lookalike audience. So to create lookalike audience, you go to the create new, you go to the lookalike audience, and yeah, here we go. So as I told you, a lookalike audience is a similar audience that is of your custom audience. And what does it mean by? First, you will see that select your lookalike source means Facebook is gonna say that select your source. You can see that these are the pixel or data set I have, but I don't want to make my lookalike audience from the pixel, but from the custom audience or anything I make. Okay, so here we just had make our which is it. This is one we just make. Okay, this is one eight website visit 180 days. So if I hit this one, what does it now going to happen is that now Facebook is going to find this 180 days peoples or visitors who came to my website, and the Facebook is going to find like these similar people through the 1%. And here's the 1%. What does it mean? A 1%, like Facebook is gonna allow you to go up to the 10%. But as I told you, there's one disclaimer, which is the more you go, the more one, two, three, four, five more you go, the lower quality of your leads or purchase will be, because Facebook also say that this 1%, if you go with only 1%, then it is the most audience that is relevant to your custom audience. And if you go higher, if you think that going to the higher makes you like k to the millions, no, it is wrong. The 1% I suggest you to go with only 1%. You can also split test, and yeah, we go with only 1%. And what we do is you can also search your location, and here's my location. And what we do, and you can also see this is estimated reach, here is this showing. And now we are going to hit the create audience. And when you hit the create audience, now see here, we just created our, which is this one is our custom audience, those people who visited our website for leads or content information. And we make a similar types of audience. Now Facebook is going to find these people who visited my website for 180 days, and this Facebook is gonna find like these peoples. Okay, and that is called a look alike audience. And yeah, this is exactly a look alike and a custom audience in Facebook ads. And if I also show you, there is also bonus tips you can do. Okay, the first thing is that you really have to, first bonus tips or pro tips regarding these Facebook ads or your pixel is that you have to have your set pixel properly in your website or in anything that you are getting conversion. Okay, that is first thing. And second is that you have to have your a good creatives and a good offer. Like a creative means video or ads, video ads, videos or images, and a copy means that what you write on there. And yeah, if you follow these two things, then I'm sure you are going to get richer if you use this properly. Like there's a lot of strategy regarding this, like how you can use this custom or any audience is that you can somehow, if you want to do scaling, or if you have a bunch of peoples that have just purchased your product through Shopify, then you can make that uh, new audience as a custom or lookalike, and you can find that kind of similar purchase customer through Facebook as lookalike audience, and you will get more sales, you will get more leads. And I think that is all for today's video, okay? And if you go over here, you can also, and another thing is that when you are actually using this audience, I suggest you, like, let's suppose that when you make this custom audience, I suggest you to not actually hit any your detail targeting, okay? You don't really have to do advanced detail targeting. And I also suggest you to off this thing, which is advantage custom audience. And what does it mean by read here? It is saying that reach people beyond your custom audience when it's likely to improve your performance. But if you just know that this custom audience or lookalike audience have to be perform or go to your ad, then you need to off this, because Facebook is just gonna do is one thing, that even though you have make this custom audience, Facebook is just gonna reach out to more other people than you have given to the Facebook, okay? So you don't want that, and we don't want that, okay? And we also have our as location, and I suggest you to not do this advantage data targeting when you are using your custom audience or lookalike. And you can do your gender, you can do your age, but not do any detail targeting. And if you go here, I also have a pro tip that just don't go with the advantage placement, okay? Why? If you ask me why, then advantage placement means Facebook is just gonna give you, just going to just randomly you run your ads anyway, or Facebook is just going to automatically do that. But we don't want that, because we don't know where our, or we know that where our mainly customer are. So if you know your customer, if you know your customers, who are they, like if you know their persona, ICP, ideal customer profile, then you hit to my manual profile and you do these things, which is, as in for me, I just hit Facebook and Instagram. And if we come to our I'm also gonna give you other tips, okay? If you come to our ad level, then what we are going to see is that this is our video ads, okay? And you really do is one thing, which is writing your copy. Not only that, this is just demo copy, okay? This is a demo copy I make. You can use ada framework, you can use a headline, and you can use description, and your call to action should be aligned with your business, okay? Let's suppose that you are selling your product and you say that sign up, then that is not a good thing. You have to know that what is your call to action. If you hit here, you can see a bunch of things you can use. But as I told you, based on your natures of your business. And if you come over here, you can also add your URL of your destination, and you can also add another thing, which is your tracking. As I told you, this is where you track your or use your pixel, and you use the website events and you hit your main pixel over here. And if you do this and if you run these ads, then what is going to happen is now Facebook is going to get the data all on this pixel. And from this pixel, what you can do is make custom audience, lookalike audience, or anything. This is why this pixel having is so much important. And yeah, this is all. So we just completed our, which is custom audience. We also learn what is the custom audience is, what is the saved audience, what is a lookalike audience. And yeah, we also make our one campaign, okay? So I think that is all for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe for more content like this. And if you want to learn more like this digital marketing content in the future, then you guys can subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, you guys can comment down below. I will try to reply you. And it's Nisang Rai. And if you are a business owner looking to get it started, you practice with ads, with your Facebook ads, then WeBand Media can help you. And we specialize in helping like and getting you patient. And another thing, if you wanna get contacts, you can message us through the email. And if you are someone, if you are the just beginner looking to get started with Facebook ads and learning, then one of the Facebook ads video will definitely help you to get started with you and launching your campaign. So make sure to watch watch that. And I think that is all for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe for more content like this. And as I always, it's Nisang, right? And yeah, thanks for watching. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.